thank you guys for watching and thank you for subscribing. So this is a review on a YouMic, right? So we did an unpackaging. So we'll probably do a review maybe with the unpackaging. But anyway, this is what we unpackaged, okay? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So hey moms on the go. So today we're going to do our unboxing. This might be the first unboxing that we've done. But anyway, I had a package from Amazon Prime. So let's see what's in it. Just going to open it over here towards the top in case we need to recycle. You want to know what's in here? There's a piece of it. It's something red. Oh yeah, before I open it up, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Here we go. Boom. We have a YouMic. We make videos, and of course we're making a video, and we wanted to purchase something. We kind of did a little bit of research to see good mics, and of course this is like YouMic, like YouTube. I wonder if they have something to do with it. Anyway, so it comes in a nice little box here. Nice instructions on the back, and this comes with two mics, right? So, and it's a 3.5 millimeter jack, two lapel mics with a 12-foot cord and a Y connector, right? You guys see that? So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. And it was shipped to me pretty quickly too, of course. Thank God that the shipping is not all crazy like it's been. Oh my gosh, it comes in this little cute case. Look at that. That is cute. I love it. A little drawstring bag. Oh, I love that. What an idea. Must-have vlogging tool. Oh, they put a lot of thought into this. That's pretty cool. So let's pull this out. Looks like some kind of little wiper pad. A little card. A little read the user guide. I guess you scan that. This is probably it's one of the mics. See? That's one of the mics on here. Oh, and this is a little splitter. Okay, and this is the other mic. So there's two mics, and they're wrapped separately with the cords and everything. And in here, there's some of those extra little squishy things right here in case you lose some. There's two blacks and two reds. And there's another little cord in here. I think this is the 3.5 millimeter jack. Maybe like for an iPhone or something, I don't know. This is pretty cool. I'm not sure. Oh, that's the splitter. So in case you're using both of them, you go into here. And if not, you just use the one. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it comes with all of this. Okay, and this little cute thing right here. A little reader's guide here, a little splitter here, and then is there something else in there? Oh, the little pin to pin on to your clothes. You know what? There's only one pin. That's weird. There should be two. Okay, there's only one. I'm not really sure why. I need to ask about that. It seems like if they give you two, oh, the other one's on here. Okay, so that one's already clipped on there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's just put that in there because I won't need it today. But I'm so excited about this. It looks really cool. Looks like everything kind of fits right back in the little baggie so you don't lose everything. How neat is that? I really like how they did this. This is like really adorable. Whoever did the packaging, whoops. and what have you. Good job. I like this. Good marketing. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Oops, better put this back in there too before I lose it. See you soon. Gotta go wash my hands.